Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxyluxe box for the month of December. If you want to see what I got in my box, then definitely keep on watching. Before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for hanging out today. And in my channel, I do a lot of makeup tutorials, reviews, unboxings. I also do plus size fashion try on hauls. And I'm also on a weight loss journey and I like to share what I eat and everything that I do to lose weight. So if you like any of that stuff, then definitely go ahead and subscribe. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing because I am super excited to see what I got. Okay guys, so just in case you're new to Boxycharm Boxyluxe, it's an upgrade from the original box. The base box costs $25 a month. And then the Luxe box is offered quarterly, so every 3 months, and you pay an extra $25. And on that month that you pay the extra $25, you skip the base box and receive this bigger box instead. And instead of 5 items, I think you've received between 8 to 9 beauty products. So according to Boxycharm's website, your Luxe box should be valued at least $250. But let's go ahead and see what I got in my box. This month's theme is Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz, which I think is super, super cute. I have an idea of some of the items that I got because we were able to choose 2 of our Luxe items. And to be honest, I am not super, super excited this time because I've been subscribed to Boxycharm since July. And ever since then, we've had 2 Luxe boxes, including this one. We have one in September and then this one now. And for some reason, the month that Luxe hits the last 2 times, I feel like I'm more excited about the base box. For some reason, for example, last time in September, whatever the base box was, I was really disappointed that I wasn't able to get those items. My Luxe was nice, but I preferred the base, even though it was cheaper. In this box, there's some pretty cool items that I already know I'm going to get that I love. But oh my gosh, this month for base box, they have Huda Beauty palettes that I've been obsessed with. I did a review of one of those small Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. I'll link it down below. The Topaz Obsessions one. And I got hooked and I bought 2 more from Ipsy. I bought the Emerald one and the Sapphire Obsessions, the blue one, which I will be reviewing soon in my channel in case you're interested. And then as I'm like getting obsessed with those little palettes, here comes Boxycharm. Oh, for December, every base box is gonna have one of these Huda Beauty palettes, the purple or the red one from the Obsessions. And I said, what? I need that, like I want that, but I'm a Luxe member and I couldn't skip out on Luxe. Well, I actually had already paid, I believe. So I was kind of like stressed out, like, oh my God, I need to get those palettes. So I did open a second account just to be able to get the base box because I didn't want to miss out. I like the variation of the base boxes that I've seen this month a lot better than the Luxe boxes. I'm pretty sure the Luxe boxes are worth a lot more, but the base box this month is killing it. But let's go ahead and see what's in my box. And my rant is over, I promise. So I don't know what this means. I usually say the variation, but I guess that's the variation. And it's like C20, 12, 4, 10, LX for Luxe, I guess. I do remember my weight was 2.6 pounds from FedEx, which took forever to update. And the first thing here, okay, our first item in my box, I know that every Luxe member received this. It's the Hip Dot C-Note palette. This is the packaging. And actually our last Luxe box, we got the Hip Dot Zion palette, which I did a review on in my channel. And I really like that one. I haven't played with it too much except for that video. I used it like 3 to 4 times actually, I shouldn't lie. And I really liked it. The packaging I already love because lately I'm obsessed with green and blue eyeshadow. I haven't played much with blue, but I've been obsessed mostly with green. But I'm interested to see what's inside. I've seen it online, but it's never the same. I feel like in person it looks different sometimes. But the last one was a berry themed palette and it was really nice. But this is the Hip Dot. Wait, I need to look at it. Wow. Hip Dot C-Note palette. It's more versatile than I expected. I did see some people using it, but I don't know. When I first saw even the packaging, it just screams like green and little bits of blue, but green. But it's mostly a blue palette with some neutrals. There are enough neutrals that you could create some very nice everyday looks if you're not into blue too much. But I'm obsessed with color right now, so I'm mostly excited about using those blues and those shimmers. Wow, this right here, that one's so pretty. So okay, let's read a little bit about this Hyptasino palette while I hold it up and you admire its beauty. So Hyptasino pressed eyeshadow palette retails for $30. So this retails for $30, and so far the quality of Hypta is really nice in my opinion. I've only used the Zion palette and I liked it, but this seems really pretty and I'm really excited to put it to the test. So I will be reviewing this on my channel pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. The next item is Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. I saw this all over Instagram, people using it, and this retails for $55. I mean, I'm not huge into face palettes because I love eyeshadow because I feel like you can be really, really creative with eyeshadow, but face palettes, I feel like you cannot get as creative because it's a complexion product. So if you find something that works with your complexion, I don't think you're gonna purchase like 100 of them like I do eyeshadow palettes, but it will be interesting. I mean, I'm gonna try it, definitely. That blush right there is really pretty, maybe for like spring. Right now I'm more into like berry blushes. I don't know if you can tell. Berry blushes for the fall and winter. But I'll try it out. It's not bad at all. But it's nice to have. So far, we have eyeshadow palette, face palette. Pretty cool. The next item in my box is what I'm most excited for because it's a Luxie brush set, and I love Luxie brushes. I really do love them. I got them in my last base. Was it my last base box or 2 months ago, something like that? And I really do love their brushes. And I really like it because it comes in this adorable little bag. I don't usually care for things like this, but I don't know, for some reason it made me think, well, what if you do go traveling and you can just take this set instead of taking a whole bunch of brushes in a different bag. Let me show you how the bag looks. So it's like this. It's red, first of all. Kind of festive. I like that. And then it rolls out like this. And here are the brushes that we get. And let's see. So this is the Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set. And you get a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. And this set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. Perfect. And it's a retail value of $85. Let me kind of show you guys a closer look. Okay guys, here's a closer look at the brushes. It's a nice gold color, which I like. And let me kind of divide them in my hands. You get these face brushes. I don't know how much use I'll get out of like this foundation brush, but I don't know. I'll try maybe this one for like concealer. I'm not sure. I am not too adventurous with like complexion products because not everything works for my skin. But I know for a fact I'll use this a lot because I have one of their angled brushes for eyeshadow and I absolutely love it. I like these kind of brushes for packing on your lid, so that might be nice. This is really nice for detail work, so I'm excited to try that. Blending brush, this one might be really cool. And this one too. I mean, they all look nice. I always need more makeup brushes, honestly. So I'm very excited for this. This is honestly what I'm most excited for. And again, that retails for $85, and that's my third item in my box. And I just love how travel friendly it is. I just put it back in here, and I could totally see myself traveling with this. Now, before I said, I don't really need that. Totally see myself traveling with just this set here. But let's see what's next in my box. Okay guys, the next item is one of the things that I chose, which I kind of don't know if I regret or not. It just, we didn't have many options at all that I liked, at least. And it's this Boat Beauty Co., the original Glam Smile Kit. Your Beaut OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Boat's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. And the retail value of this is $89. So it's supposed to whiten your teeth. I've never tried anything like this before, but out of the items they were offering, anything else and everything else was just not really appealing to me. So I will try it out. I'm not too excited about it. I'm a little skeptical, but I'm definitely gonna try it out. Maybe I'll let you guys know in a future video if it worked out. The next item I'll show you is also something that I chose. And again, I'm not too excited about this. Okay, but I'm not too excited about this, to be honest, but it's the Rockins Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. Getting a hot mess with Rockins Maxi Glitter Gel Pen Threesome. Choose from one of these 3 intense shades. Let's show you the 3 intense shades. So you get these. They look, I know I've heard people say this already, but totally, I do like remote learning with my daughter, and I use the jumbo crayons, and literally that's that. Like, they're in the other room where I will get them, but it's a crayon to me. I don't know. I think I chose this because of this green color, and lately I've been trying to find like green gel pens for my waterline, and everything that I look for is like sold out or either too expensive. So I'm gonna actually try and swatch this. These retail for $40. And let me not judge it too soon, right? Because it might be nice. It just seems so bulky, and I just was not interested in the other items that were being offered. But here's what it looks like. See, like, even that is not like a bright green, and I wonder how it would transfer onto my skin. I'm not gonna try it on my eyes right now, obviously, because I have makeup on. But sometimes like things look bright, and depending on your skin tone, once you try it on your eye, like, it doesn't look the same. And I don't see myself applying this as eyeshadow. I don't like individual liner eyeshadow things. I don't know how to explain that. I like eyeshadow that's powder. Yeah. And then the next 2 shades, I guess I'll show you guys in case you guys are interested. Okay, I just wanted to show you the other 2 shades too, in case you guys want to get a closer look, because I know they're offering it on add-ons right now, and maybe you were wondering if you needed it or not. They are really pretty. If you did get this, or if you've ever used this, how would you apply this? Do you think it will work with my waterline? I'm still going to try it, not now, but let me know in the comments if you've ever used something like this. So chunky. This thing is stuck to me, the plastic. But I just felt like I didn't have many options, and I'm always looking for colorful gel liners. And it said something threesome gel liners, like colorful, and I said yes, give me that, because everything else was not like too interesting to me. But that was that item. The next thing that I got, I actually didn't even know we were getting this, and then someone posted about it somewhere, and I was like, what, we're getting that? And they were like raving about it, I think on Instagram. It's the Resa Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In, formulated with a gold infused shield. This leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds, wow, for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. And the retail value is $22. And apparently this is a leave-in for your hair. Wow, I want that. I don't know if I should try it out now. No, I have very like dry hair. Well, my hair is kind of, hold on. I just want to smell it. It doesn't smell bad. Did it do anything? Let's try like where my hair is super dry. I don't know. I'm gonna have to use this. I don't know how. I'm gonna read the instructions. Oh, because now my hair got wet. I don't like that. But my hair, it's all over the place. It's very like, you can do many things with it. It's versatile, but my hair gets very dry and frizzy. So, oh my God, it smells like a perfume. What perfume is that? It smells like a very fancy perfume that I can't tell. At first I thought it was gonna be different. I don't know, like vanilla-ish smell, but no. It smells like a very fancy perfume that I actually really, really like. Just because of the smell, I'm definitely gonna try this again. But I said, yeah, this retails for $22. I did not expect this, so this was the surprise for me. I'm excited to try it because my hair smells good. I'm gonna try it more just because I love the smell. Definitely love that smell. But yeah, that was the next item. Let's see what's next in my box. Next up in my box is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. And this treatment retails for $85, guys, $85. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high-potency formula exfoliates dull, pore-clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. Sounds very exciting, and I know a lot of people were excited about this online. I've never tried anything from Sunday Riley. I'm gonna try it. I'm kind of skeptical about skincare just because I have very sensitive skin, but I'm gonna try it. If you've tried this before, do you like it? Do you recommend it? How do you use it? I'm gonna read the instructions, but if you've tried it, please let me know in the comments. Very nice. And that retails for $85. Yeah, I did say that. The last item is from Avant, and it's the Avant Skincare Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. The ideal remedy against time, this day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. Seems very exciting. Again, I have kind of sensitive skin, but I'll try it. The last time that I got a moisturizer, like a daytime moisturizer thing from Murad, I tried it and I broke out. And maybe I should try it again. Maybe it was something different, but it kind of freaked me out. But I'm gonna try this. If you've tried it, also let me know in the comments if you liked it. So I'm sitting over here reading this again because according to this Avant Skincare Moisturizer retails for $123. Like, what is in you? Is that real? Whoa. Super crazy, but I've never, and then it's so small. I'm gonna have to look into it. Let me know if you know about it. Do you use it? Do you like it? So according to my calculations, my box is valued at $529, which is amazing. Wow, I'm gonna have to actually try these things. Okay, so again, I got this moisturizer from Avant that retails for $123. Sunday Riley Lactic Acid, Resa Leave-In Treatment that smells amazing, just heavenly. The whitening kit, and the 3 gel liners. Hip That Zion palette and Iconic London face palette. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess nine items if you count these individually. Oh, and my brush set. So yes, to be completely honest, this was totally worth it. So I upgraded for $25 extra, and I totally think it was worth it. I was super excited for base, and again, I did make a different account, so I'm gonna be getting that soon. But it was totally worth it. It's just that we have different preferences. Everyone likes different things. And sometimes you get like FOMO, like you feel like you're gonna miss out on something that's special. So when I saw those small Huda Beauty palettes, I said, oh, I cannot miss out on that. But to be completely honest, this Luxe box was very impressive. I liked it, the value, wow. And I'm gonna try these. They might become my new favorites. They're too expensive, but I'm still gonna try it. I'm still smelling this right here. This smells lovely, very heavenly. And yeah, overall, I liked it. I think that's the end of my unboxing, and I will be unboxing my base box and premium box. My first premium box as soon as it arrives very soon. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching if you made it to this part. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me if you like this, so I know to keep making more videos like this. And also don't forget to subscribe before you go. I'll be making a review of this palette soon, and I have a lot of other reviews, so I'll link them down below in the description. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.